It's your girl Kiarrarenee, and I'm back with another video, and today is going to be a hair maintenance video. Yes, it's time for some tender loving care on my hair. I am going to be straightening this install as well as cutting layers into it and just the maintenance of it. When I say I need to glue in some tracks and just work out some kinks, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I did do a video on this install, I believe. This is my curly middle part sew-in, and it's so pretty. It's an array of different colors. As you guys can see, it just blends so well, so I can't wait to straighten it and cut into it. This is synthetic blend hair, so it's 100% human and synthetic hair. This is the deep wave or loose wave hair, I believe. So I started off by combing through it all the way bottom to top, y'all. Bottom to top. You really gotta, okay? And I've been a little bit rough on this hair, so that's why a couple tracks have been falling out. But I've had this hair in for about a week and a half, so I'm about to maintain this quick weave and really stretch it, because this maintenance is gonna save it. It's about to look like a whole new style when I'm done with it. So yes, brush out your hair first. I am going to put some heat protectant in it. Not too much. I haven't been putting any product in this hair, so I want to keep it as lightweight as possible. So that's the heat protectant. I'm about to go through and section off the hair so I can start feeling where, as you can see, like, it's just the ends really that have been coming apart. So I'm gonna do some of the ends. So I got some clips. I'm about to start sectioning off my hair just so I can see. I've been using this Salon Pro hair glue as of lately, and I really like it. I like it mainly because it comes with this, or it doesn't come with it, but you can buy it on your own. And this is the hair remover. So if I have any mishaps and I start struggling with the hair glue, I just use this remover. It really comes in handy. These are my two, okay?
Alright, so I'm going in with my hair glue, and I'm just tacking down the ends to the wig cap, and I'm making sure that I put the blow dryer on low and blow drying it until it's dried and tacked back down. And I'm going to go through this layer by layer until I'm finished.
Okay, y'all, I'm done. The hair maintenance is over. Like, when I say I'm back nice, thick, and full, what I think I'm about to do now is I think I'm gonna go run and find some bundles on the leftover hair and see if I can frame my face more. Like, it's grew out a little bit, so let's add some hair.
Okay, so I'm going to take this track and put some glue on it, and then I'm just going to cut it in half so it's thicker, and it's double wetted. And then I'm going to go in with my flat iron and mold these two together. And this is just going to help it dry quicker and stick together. And I'm going to do this for 2 pieces.
Alright, you guys, so I just showed y'all how I double wefted these hair pieces. I'm about to add some glue. So I'm gonna add some glue.
Okay, now going into the flat iron process, what I'm going to do is section off my hair, go piece by piece, brush it through, and then I'm going to comb it through with a rat tail comb, and I'm going to be using the chase method as I flat iron. I'm using my Jose Ibir flat iron, and I believe I put it on 375. I wouldn't put synthetic blend hair on anything more than 375, and as you guys can see, it got bone straight really easily. It wasn't really much of a hassle at all.
Okay, y'all, so this is the natural state. All right. And then this is the straight state. You know, give it a little bounce. Yes. So I'll be back when I straighten this side.
As you go through, you might find some tracks that you missed, and that's completely okay. Pull out your glue and tack them back down.
Alright, y'all, let's tackle my leave out. I've been keeping it hidden. Oh, look at it. I need to brush this out. When I had washed my leave out, at the end I had put in this Chi straight guard, and that's during that process This is some cheat heat protectant I put in a bottle, so just gonna spray the heat protectant throughout my hair. Okay, woo, y'all. And then I'm gonna go in with this iron guard, and I'm gonna spray my hair too. And then I'm gonna blow dry it. Y'all, this is what a bone straight leave out looks like. Okay, I went from this, help me, crunchy, okay, ooh, y'all see that? Like the blend for me, I can't wait to cut my layers into this. And anyway, let me go do this side and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. The battery's about to die. Oh well. Okay, so we back. We're about to cut into some layers. This is what we got. So I know my leave out ends right here, so I'm gonna start about chin level and I'm just gonna angle down and cut that. And these are like 90s inspired layers. And keep in mind, you can always cut more, you can't put back on. So watch yourself. My hair already looks better. Do you see that angle on that? So I'm gonna start curling it under just to see how we're doing. So let's see. You know, we love a little bump. Oh, they're a little long. I'm a little bit more dramatic than that. I feel like I should keep cutting. Yeah. But let's get these ends together. So by doing that.
Y'all, I like to put in rollers just to let my hair sit, and it really keeps the bump really nice and in place, as you guys can see. And I'm going to do the same to both sides, but as you can see, I got the layered look done, and I'm going to focus on cutting my other side to match.
All right, y'all, so this is how the layered side looks, especially if I keep it all going the same way. Like, don't y'all just love that? That is so 90s. I love it. I love it. I'm definitely feeling it. And then It's always perfect for a good throwback. If I curl it, I know it's gonna be pretty. It's just very effortless, gorgeous layers. Yes, I love them. And then now I'm about to do this side off camera, and then I'm gonna see you guys in a second. If you love these videos, these quick weave videos, how to make it look so natural, so fresh, like look at this. The doing your head at home by yourself on a budget, I'm your girl. Just know I'm your girl. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, because I'm definitely going to be doing more of these videos. I've been in this doing my own hair vibe, and I do plan on getting my hair professionally done soon. I know I need a trim. I want to start, you know, taking care of what's underneath as well. So yes, especially because my hair gets so puffy, so we need to start heat training her and getting her prepared for these styles, because clearly they're coming together. So I'm about to do this side, and then I'll be back in a second. Bye, y'all. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm loving these layers, honestly. They're really framing my face, you know. That's how I feel about them. I'm about to go in with this ebon wax stick. Yes, just so I can really do final touches. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Look at it. It has came together beautifully. My edges are done. Edges are done. I love this cut of these layers. They're gonna look beautiful curled, but they definitely give like a 90s vibe, a flowy hair vibe currently. So I like that. If you like this video and enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what other styles you would like me to try, different brands that you would like me to try. Do you like this style? Do y'all think this should be my signature color? Like, give me details, because I think I blended the heck out of this hair. Like, are y'all really getting this blend with my hair and everything? Like, I'm gonna have to really give y'all some pictures of it, because it's just, it's a vibe. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.